In this video, I'll show you how to make money online for free by combining AI tools with print on demand. Part 1. Print on demand. Step 1. Visit the TeePublic Designer registration page, link provided in video description. Step 2. Fill out the registration form. Then confirm your email to activate your account. Step 3. Log into your dashboard. Go to My Account and enter your PayPal or Payoneer information. Step 4. Click Edit Settings to set your username and save the changes. Part 2. Product Research. Step 1. Use the search bar on TeePublic to search for popular keywords. Select desired keywords from the suggestions and press the search button. Step 2. From the search results, select the popular button at the top to view the top 5 products. Choose one you want and open it. Step 3. Copy the product title, description, designer and customer tags, and save them in a notepad. Part 3. Create artwork. Step 1. Enhance the product title by adding popular keywords. And add MidJourney's parameters. You can copy them from this video description. Step 2. Run the script in MidJourney and wait for the process to complete. If you don't have a MidJourney account, watch my previous video on getting started with MidJourney, found in the video description or video card. Step 3. Select the best image or upscale all images and save them to your computer. Part 4. Upscale artwork. Step 1. To increase the visibility of your image in all TeePublic products, upscale it to a minimum size of 5000 by 5000 pixels. Use imgupscaler.com or follow the link in the video description. Step 2. Upload your image and select the 400% option. Click the Start button and wait for the process to complete. Step 3. Download the upscaled image to your computer for use in your TeePublic product. Part 5. Upload art. Step 1. Return to TeePublic and click the Upload Art button. Choose the option for a single product and upload the upscaled image you just downloaded. Wait for the process to complete. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to create an SEO-friendly product title and description. If you don't have a ChatGPT account or don't know how to use it, watch my previous video on ChatGPT, link provided in the description. Copy the description to ChatGPT and ask it to make the description SEO-friendly. Copy and paste the results to the product description. Repeat the same process for the product title. Step 3. Choose the best supporting tags and set the main tag. Step 4. Adjust the size and position of your design on each product to match the print area. Select the product color and orientation that match your design. Step 5. Save and publish the product. Step 6. Use ChatGPT to enhance your store's profile, banner, shop description, etc. Part 6. Marketing. Marketing is the most crucial aspect of earning money online. Promote your design on social media and ask ChatGPT to create SEO-friendly content for your social media posts. The best platform for promoting print-on-demand products is Pinterest, which will be covered in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.